So far it seems okay. I just listened to the audio. I'm not going to switch it to powered mic. And I'm wandering around down by the waterfront. What I'm looking for, I mean, this is working. Almost went off on a tangent. I'm looking for a parking garage, okay, so that I can take pictures during like a good electrical storm. But I'm also looking for like a beautiful skyline shot. If I can get a nice night, I'm doing skyline from the roof. If I can't get a nice shot, if it's pouring and lightning, I want to be able to like sit there and set up the tripod and do long exposures and get the city with lightning behind it. So that's what I'm doing here. But while I'm here, cooking in my own juices at 91 degrees, I'm looking I'm testing the audio setup, which I think sounds good. This is the Cena going into a Cena GoPro backpack into a Hero 7. And so far, from just listening to what I did on the way out here, it's not too shabby. I won't lie, I'm pretty okay with it. Yes, I am. Now, I was told that Tampa General Hospital is the place to go, and that they have a good parking garage right on the river with a beautiful view, and I've seen some pictures from it. So I think that's what we're going to check out first. But definitely that area. For the record, I do not set my GPS. I do not know where I'm going. I find that sometimes that's the best way to go, to just wander. So I am wandering. Yeah, how nice the clouds are today. I mean, you can tell there's a storm right offshore. These big clouds, fast moving too. And you're probably wondering why I'm not live streaming, because tomorrow is when I get my new minutes, and I am down to like the bottom. So I don't want to waste them. I need 2 days worth. So if I'm going to live stream, I'm going to live stream something good. You know what I'm saying? All right. Well, let's come back when there's something better to talk about. Or at least I'm moving, for God's sakes. I'm sitting here from light to light. This sucks. And we're out.